Good morning. We are on our way for the school picnic to the water park. Inside the bus, the students are cheerful and excited, singing songs, sharing laughter. पूरा माहौल खुशनुमा सा है. As we move ahead, the view outside turns refreshing. Clear roads, greenery on both sides, सुबह की हवा और एक शांत सा सफर. Away from the usual rush, the journey feels light and pleasant. सच कहें तो ये सफ़र खुद में ही एक सुकून है. Moments like this remind us that learning and bonding extend beyond the classroom. And with this cheerful beginning, our day gently unfolds. After a long journey of almost 55 kilometers, we finally reached Wild Waters. Everyone stepped down, stretched a little, relaxed, बस थोड़ा सा बॉडी को रेस्ट मिला. Then we all stood in line and headed towards the counter. The kids got blue wristband and the teachers got purple one. And with that, the day really begins.
मैम भी also अरे रुक क्या
बबीता,
They will help you. They will help you.
बबीता आप भी लो. आपका क्या है ये? Where is this speaker? Yes.
मैम पर्पल अच्छा टी-शर्ट
This is important. Very important, dear. Keep it. Show your band.
सी मैम
Color is my favorite.
Is it your favorite?
Yes.
And
I also got
that is my favorite. I like both the colors.
फेवरेट कलर
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Miss
Bye,
Rabia.
no, bye, we are joining.
Bye, Miss Rabia. Thank you.
Hello, Salma ma'am. Where to go? Changing rooms, ma'am.
After entering, students moved in group, boys and girls, along with their teachers. Nylon clothes were a must, so everyone quickly changed and got ready. Since it was still morning, the main water rides were not open yet, but the kids were enjoying the dry rides. Some teachers joined in while the rest of us stayed close, watching and guiding them. I am not on the rides myself. They make me feel a little dizzy, but I am enjoying watching the children have fun. Later, I will join them for the water rides. Our children are enjoying ride. Ruxana ma'am also enjoy the ride already.
Yes.
You didn't go?
No.
Why?
I have fear. Height fear mainly.
We are in wild water, so we are enjoying the
Gravitation
ride.
is so hard.
It was so awesome.
Go and
one
enjoy
ride.
that. Go and enjoy that. These all are made by tires. See, I'm very surprised. It's made by tire. Be safe.
So, before the ride, this is before the ride. देखेंगे अब after the ride आप लोग कैसे आते हैं. You need to think positive. Everyone ready? I don't hear that. Everyone ready?
are going in a toy train. Mr. Sohail is also joined to us. So the students were enjoying different rides, running from one attraction to another, laughing, shouting, and having the best time. Meanwhile, we teachers were doing our real job, keeping an eye on them, making sure everyone was safe together and enjoying responsibly. Even in fun, teachers never stop being teachers. In between all this, we decided to board the toy train. It was actually a very smart decision because it helped us to explore the entire place in a short time. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. Bye, beta. We are going. Bye. Okay, move. The toy train was moving so slow that at the point I genuinely felt it would be better to just walk. It was that slow, but honestly, that slow ride had its own charm. Soon after the ride, it was time for lunch, so we gathered all the students together because lunch was ready for everyone. In morning, only the dry rides were allowed, but now after lunchtime, the wet rides also started opening, and you can imagine excitement level बिल्कुल double हो गया. From slow and peaceful movement to full splash and fun, the picnic was perfectly balanced and beautiful managed. Now the update is our student went for the ride. We are waiting for here for them, and even I'm also going to enjoy. Not me, even she also. This is
Good afternoon, everyone. We came to Wild Waters for our picnic, and this is Salma ma'am.
With full preparation.
We are here to enjoy a lot with our friends. With our friends.
Yes, see, already they enjoyed. Now it's our turn. We will also go.
See, Sikandar, you are enjoying. We said, right? That's the most
Done. How was that experience?
very enlightenment.
Very nice. How is the experience? How is the experience?
Hi, everyone.
Is it nice? Mini heart attack? See, now we are going for wave pool. Wave pool with all our students. They are already enjoying there. See.
मैम क्या कर रहे
These are responsible
मैम
for
भूख
late.
लग रही है अब खाना नहीं दे
These are responsible. See, took so much time to get ready. See this girl.
मैम आइसक्रीम गिरा दो
I'm the innocent teacher. Ah. They did late. For everything they will do late. See, still this girl is roaming.
मैम डू यू हैव
Still you are roaming. Thank you. Girls, move in a line.
Chili, come on.
Chalo, let's go.
Come
Sir,
on, come
we are
on, come
done.
on.
Done with the
Alhamdulillah.
picnic. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Chili.
Bye. Is it only for children? हमारे लिए नहीं है. Did you receive? Bye, boys. Bye. How are you?
You can sit here.
Bye.
Bye.
And finally, we all boarded the bus and started heading back. सुबह वाला excitement थोड़ा कम हो गया था. Some students were still talking about their favorite rides, while a few were quietly resting after a full day of fun. थकान थी, but face पर satisfaction clearly visible था. We had clicked so many pictures, created beautiful memories, and as you see these photos, every smile tells the story of a day well spent. Tired but happy, that's how we return. And just like that, our picnic ended with hearts full of joy and memories to cherish.